IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. How do you usually plan your day? Band 5. Answer.
I try to plan my day, but sometimes I forget. Normally, I write down the things I need to do, like work or shopping. I follow it, but not always. It helps me to finish important things.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short, simple ideas with some hesitation and limited detail. Lexical resource, basic vocabulary, limited range. Grammar, mostly simple sentences. Some errors, but meaning is clear. Pronunciation, understandable, though some sounds may be unclear. Typical of Band 5, communicates basic information with limited flexibility. Band 7.5 Answer.
I usually organize my day by writing a quick to-do list in the morning. I prioritize the most important tasks, and then I try to fit everything else around them. It keeps me focused, although I occasionally adjust things if something unexpected comes up.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth delivery with well-connected ideas. Lexical resource, good range, e.g., prioritize, adjust, unexpected. Grammar, mostly complex structures with flexibility. Pronunciation, clear and natural rhythm. Typical of Band 7.5, strong control and variety with only occasional slips. Band 9 Answer.
I normally structure my day the night before because it helps me stay productive. I map out my key tasks, set realistic time blocks for each one, and leave a little room for anything unpredictable. Having a clear plan not only keeps me organized, but also reduces stress, so I can focus on what actually matters.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless, fully developed ideas with natural flow. Lexical resource, precise, sophisticated vocabulary, structure, time blocks, unpredictable. Grammar, wide range of complex forms used accurately and flexibly. Pronunciation, completely natural and easy to understand. Typical of Band 9, fully natural, coherent, and detailed. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.